All right, guys. Based on what we did in class today and the notes, we should be able to work a problem like this, right? I want you to go ahead and write this down on a sheet of paper or whiteboard or something, because I want to work this out with you. Because this equation is going to do something a little bit different. Now, we know when we have parentheses, we distribute. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times negative 8 is negative 32. Now on this other side, I have another distribute. 2 times x is 2x. And then 2 times 2 is 4, right? Bring everything else down. Now that we've done distribute, now we're going to combine like terms. So over here on the left side, I don't have any like terms, because this has x's and that's a regular number. Now on the other side, I have like terms. I can combine my x's, 2x plus 2x, which will give me 4x. Bring everything else down. Now I also have like terms right here, plus 4 and negative 36, which would give us minus 32. Now you look and you see both sides are the exact same. So what do you think you'll get for a solution? Think about it, and then we'll finish this and do it together. Pause the video now. Alright, so according to our notes, we're going to add our numbers together, right? Get them on one side, so I'm going to do plus 32 plus 32. Those will cancel, and negative 32 plus 32 is actually 0. So we got 4x plus 0 equals 4x. Now from here, our next step is going to be to put the variables on the other side. So I'm going to subtract 4x to move it over there. That'll cancel. 4x minus 4x is 0. So does 0 equal 0? Yes, and it always does. Now this one is going to have what we call infinite solutions. Here's what I mean. Let's go back to this step where both of them were exactly the same. 4x minus 32 and 4x minus 32. If you plug in any number, you're going to get the same thing on both sides. So let's try 5. 4 times 5 minus 32 should equal 4 times 5 minus 32. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 minus 32 gives us negative 12. On this side, 4 times 5 is still 20, and then 20 minus 32 will still give us negative 12. Since we're doing the exact same thing, it doesn't matter what number we put in. Any number will work. So this will have infinite solutions. Now, I want us to look at another problem. Let's say I had 3x plus 5 equals 3 parentheses x plus 2 minus 5. All right? Now, what would we do to solve this? Well, we have parentheses. The first thing we would do here is multiply. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 2 is 6. And now, combine like terms. On this side, I have like terms, positive 6 and minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. So it's 3x plus 1 equals 3x plus 5. Now, I need to get my numbers on one side and my letters on the other. So let's move the 5. Those cancel, and I'll get negative 4 over here. So I've got 3x minus 4 equals 3x. And now I want my variables on the other side. So I'm going to move 3x, 3x. They cancel here. 3x minus 3x is 0. So I've got 0 is equal to negative 4. Now, I have to ask you something. Is 0 equal negative 4? No, those are completely different numbers. So on this one, since 0 will never equal negative 4, this will be no solution. So the two new things we can get for an answer, if any number will work, because we have the same thing on both sides, we'll get infinite solutions. If, when we cancel everything out and get down to our answer, we get numbers that are not equal to each other, that will never be equal to each other, we'll get no solution. This is what we're doing tomorrow.